And lots of times I feel like many of those experts are very lost in the weeds of research. And I'm not saying that research is bad or that we shouldn't listen to it or that we shouldn't gain knowledge from it, but I am saying that shouldn't be the only thing that you base your lifestyle decisions on. And I can make a very good argument against research and against like all the flaws. I mean, it's human designed. We've gained a lot of information from it, but you always have to apply that information in the context of logic and human history. So if there's research telling you that sunlight is causing skin cancer, that doesn't make sense to me because the sun has been around. It is literally the energy source for all things on Earth. It doesn't make sense that it's also killing you. And if you look at the research that they've done to say, oh, the sunlight's causing skin cancer, what they do is they use isolated UVB or UV lamps and they put that on skin or they put that on animals or whatever. And they say, oh, look, it causes skin cancer. But like that is never the way it is in natural sunlight. When you ask yourself the question and you think you're listening to influencers and information out there, just ask yourself that question. Is this moving me more back toward where humans were before we had all these modern conveniences and ways of life?